In this video, we will talk about how to find the area of parallelograms. To find the area of parallelograms, we will multiply the base times the height. In this first example, just like to find area with triangles, we would look for the right angle symbol. That always touches the base and the height. My base is 12, my height is 4. So 12 times 4 gives me my area of 48 meters squared. The next shape is a square. Remember, on a square, all of the sides are equivalent to one another. So my base is 7 and my height would be 7. So to find my area, I will multiply 7 times 7 and get 49 feet squared. The last question is a rectangle, and again, I'm multiplying base times height. So 16 times 6 gives me 96 inches squared for my area.